Hi guys, it's me, and today we're taking a closer look at a gaming monitor that focuses on giving you a better visual experience without pushing into expensive territory. This is a 24-inch full HD display from MSI that keeps things simple, practical, and surprisingly enjoyable for everyday gaming. Starting with the design, it follows a clean and modern approach. There are subtle gaming elements, but nothing that feels over the top. It works well in almost any setup, whether you're building a full gaming desk or just adding a reliable screen to your workspace. The stand is straightforward and supports tilt adjustment, which helps you get a comfortable viewing angle during long sessions. Now moving to the display, this monitor features a 1920 by 1080 resolution on a 24-inch panel. This combination is still one of the best for balanced performance and clarity. It keeps visuals sharp enough while making sure your system doesn't struggle to keep up, especially in games where consistent frame rates matter. The panel type is VA, and that's where you start to notice a difference. Contrast levels are stronger compared to typical panels in this range. Dark scenes look deeper, and brighter areas stand out more, which makes games and videos feel more engaging. It adds a layer of immersion that you don't always get in entry-level displays. Color output is solid for its category. It's not designed for professional editing, but for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. The colors feel lively and balanced. With a bit of tweaking in the settings, you can easily adjust it to suit your preference. One of the key upgrades here is the 75 Hz refresh rate. It may not sound like a huge jump, but compared to 60 Hz, it does make a noticeable difference. Animations feel smoother, camera movements are cleaner, and overall gameplay becomes more enjoyable. To make things even better, there's FreeSync support. This feature helps reduce screen tearing and keeps gameplay looking fluid by syncing the monitor with your graphics card. It's especially useful in fast-paced titles where stability can make a big difference. Response time is reasonable for this type of panel. While it's not built for ultra-competitive esports performance, it handles most games without major issues. You might notice a bit of motion blur in very fast scenes, but for casual and regular gaming, it performs well. Connectivity is kept simple with HDMI and VGA ports. HDMI will be your go-to for modern devices like gaming PCs and consoles, while VGA gives you compatibility with older hardware. It covers the essentials without adding unnecessary extras. The curved screen design adds a subtle immersive effect. It's not too aggressive, but it helps pull your focus into the center of the display, which can enhance both gaming and media viewing. Outside of gaming, this monitor works well for everyday tasks. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or working on documents, the screen size and clarity provide a comfortable experience. It's a versatile choice for both work and play. This is a great option for beginners building their first gaming setup or for anyone upgrading from an older monitor. It delivers smoother visuals, better contrast, and a more modern feel without requiring a big investment. Overall, this MSI monitor offers a strong balance between performance and affordability. It's not trying to compete with high-end displays, but it succeeds in delivering a dependable and enjoyable experience for most users. If you're thinking about upgrading your setup, check out the link in the description to learn more and pick one up for yourself.